Welcome back to Ari and Bart, and today we're going to teach you how to make chapstick.
So stand by. Welcome back to our show, and today, if you notice, I don't have my signature beer. I'm drinking, what's this thing called again?
A hot toddy.
Hot toddy. And if you haven't seen that episode, go back and see it. It's an amazing episode. Anyway, have you ever tried to kiss somebody, the lips are all chapped and they're cutting you in the process? It's like kissing sand. Have that ever happened to you?
Well, I mean, I've had chapped lips. You
Okay.
have too, for sure.
Yeah, definitely have. Anyway, what do we need? What do we need to do this amazing product?
So today we're using Candelilla wax, coconut oil, and vitamin E oil, as well as we're throwing in some peppermint because I love peppermint.
She sure does.
You can use anything else. I mean, we've even thought about making lemon, lemon oil with lemon flavor. Why not? So definitely the base, Candelilla or beeswax, the coconut oil, and the vitamin E oil.
It's just the coconut oil?
That's the coconut oil.
Smells like coconut, yeah. All right, stand by.
And here we're melting the Candelilla wax and the coconut oil together. Make sure that it's nice and clear, that you don't see any of the Candelilla flakes floating around.
Well, fast forward this video so that you guys don't have to waste time and go straight to the point.
After this, you're gonna take the cup out, the measuring cup out, let it cool slightly, and then add your vitamin E oil and your peppermint drops.
So now it's time for my favorite part, which is filling up these amazing little, what do you call this, like those chapstick?
The little chapstick tubes. But you're getting ahead of yourself.
Okay.
You still have to add the rest of the ingredients.
Okay.
Before we do that. So, since you brought up filling them, we have these little droppers that we're going to be using to fill them up a little easier. So now that the Candelilla wax and the coconut oil have melted.
Yep, let me smell that.
See that nice and clear. You only have a short amount of time to work with this because it will start to harden very quickly. So we're going to take the vitamin E oil, and we have about half a teaspoon of the vitamin E oil here, and my little...
The whisk?
The little whisk disappeared.
Oh, what did I do with it? No. We used to make one.
Okay. So, here we go. We're adding the vitamin E.
Vitamin E going in. Oh, man. This peppermint smells so good.
And now the peppermint.
Here, I'll give you one of these on this side right there. So I can reach over. A lot of peppermint going in there.
Yeah, I'm adding a lot.
Yeah, here.
Make sure that you smell it. So I added about 20 drops or so.
Yeah.
So here we go.
We both like a lot of peppermint, so perfectly fine with it. What did I do with the lid from the peppermint? The little thing.
The lid is right there.
Oh, here it is.
And
all right.
Just mix that. Sorry for all the noise.
All right, let me see. I got another method. Ready? Look at this. See that? See that?
Come on, it's
All the way
cooling,
to
so we gotta hurry up and fill these up.
So I got mine out here. I'll tip that off.
He has his, and I got mine, and we're filling these up.
Okay, I'll go all the way to the top. These things are amazing, by the way.
Yeah. It's so much easier.
It takes about 3 or 4 of these things.
Okay, I've got one.
Did I get too many of these things?
Top off that one that you had there.
Oh, okay.
Ooh, I'm
making a mess.
That's me.
It's a 24-hour thing.
Yeah.
It's a 24-hour thing. All right, here we go. What do we got? We got enough, at least to finish this one off. Here, let me finish this one off. And I want to encourage you guys.
I got 4 on my side.
And 1, 2 on my side. And I want to let you guys know that we are doing some nice giveaways.
How did I fill up 4 when you only filled up?
Well, I had to get up and go get the rest. What's going on here? Anyway, I want to encourage you guys to subscribe to our channel. Let me get some of this hot toddy. Is that what it's called?
Yeah. Who's the one making the mess?
Did you just bump me?
I didn't
Just
even
bump into
touch
me?
you.
She hates her husband. Anyway, I'm gonna leave that in the camera so you guys can see what I'm dealing with. I want to encourage you guys to just subscribe to our channel. You made a mess. Subscribe to our channel. Let your friends know about it. We do this for fun. We just want to have a lot of fun since we're at home. Well,
Quarantine
she's working.
2020.
Yeah, she's working. I'm not right now because of this whole thing. But we got nothing better to do. We got 2 kids upstairs playing their games, and we decided to do these little videos and see what happens if we make videos. Anyway, let your friends know about what we're doing. Share it, subscribe. And
Don't move it.
for one of our lucky subscribers, we're going to send 4 of these chapsticks. Count it. 1, 2, 3, 4. So subscribe. Take us on.
And bye.
So after editing the video, we noticed that we never show the final product. But here it is. Here's an amazing picture of how they look. Don't forget to subscribe. And one of our lucky subscribers will win 4 of these amazing products. Thank you guys, and catch you guys in the next one.